Hello everyone, today we will discuss the topic of financial education, how to achieve financial independence, important steps. Step 1. Financial goals. Define your financial goals, such as what your goal is, what you want to achieve, what the targets are. Write them down first and separate short-term and long-term goals. Step 2. Budget analysis. Track your income and expenses, and categorize your expenses. Step 3. Keep control over your expenses. Create an emergency fund. Step 4. Investment. Explore investment options. Consider risk management. Maintain diversification. Step 5. Debt management. Identify debts. Create a debt repayment plan. Compare interest rates. Step 6. Financial monitoring. Conduct regular financial reviews. Update the budget. Track investment performance. Step 7. Financial management 5 tips. 1. Maintain discipline and patience. 2. Financial education को सीख करें. 3. Risk management को prioritize करें. 4. Maintain diversification. 5. Conduct regular reviews. Step 8. Read the best 5 books for financial management. 1. A Random Walk Down Wall Street. 2. The Intelligent Investor. 3. The Total Money Makeover. 4. Your Money or Your Life. 5. The Simple Path to Wealth. Today, we only discussed points and steps. To understand each point in detail, please like and subscribe for 500. Thank you for watching this video.